I believe that the respondent was seeking.
Please not. My lords, I'm the proxy counsel for the respondent. I'm humbly requesting for an adjournment as the main counsel has taken ill, my lords.
Who is not well?
The main counsel, my lords.
Of for whom?
For the respondent. I'm the proxy counsel for the respondent, my lords.
From Patiala to Jalandhar.
Yes, my lady.
The objection for transfer.
No, my lady. There's already a 142 application pending. Parties have settled the.
Counsel has to come.
On the yes, my lady. On the last date, there were some queries put by this court on the settlement terms. I think the respondent counsel fell ill, so he couldn't get clarity.
Have it.
On the 11th or 11th would be suitable.
Next Wednesday?
Next Wednesday.
My lords, a few days time may be given, maybe 10 days time, maybe because the terms of the settlement might be reassessed.
All right. It is stated that respondent's counsel is unwell. Hence, list on 18-9.
18th would be 2 weeks.
18-9? Yeah.
That is okay.
Deeply obliged.
Yes.
May I please, sir? But the bail order has been perhaps put on record, my lord. It's been filed, but I'm carrying copies also because the office report states that it is not on record.
What has happened now?
The one co-accused has got bail. Your lordships will recollect the Sanjeev Miglani has got bail, but that I don't think will inure to my learned friend's benefit at all. He is seeking anticipatory bail, and he in the investigation seemed to suggest
the co-accused has got regular bail or
regular bail. And it appears, in fact, this bail order seems to suggest that there is far more to it than what even I was aware of last time. 3rd of August, Lord. Kindly proceed, my lord. Kindly see my case, my lord. My lord, I am a bona fide purchaser of the property, my lord. So, my lord, in fact, I am also a victim, my lord, because, see, my lord, after, my lord, I was not knowing, because this Manish Miglani, my lord, was under the custody of Child Welfare Committee, my lord. When the petitioner has come to my chamber, my lord, I asked him that as why you have not inquired about whose property this is. He told that I inquired from the tenants, my lord. They also told that his elder brother has died issueless because he was under Child Welfare Committee custody of that, my lord. May I just say one more thing, that the other accused, I was not aware. The other accused is arrested. He kept him in hiding. He was arrested from his house. Why am I saying? Kindly proceed, Lord. Kindly see one judgment, Lord. This honorable court itself has said that I am not carrying a fit. But the restriction of FIR, Lord, I have joined twice, Lord. After passing of the interim order in my favor, Lord. He is the main person, Manoj. But kindly see one judgment, Lord. One for a if grateful. Other matters, Lord. I was not knowing that, Lord, he is minor, Lord, he is this child. Lord, kindly see. If kindly see, Lord. If he would have been, Lord, he would have been out, Lord. He was, Lord, under the welfare child welfare committee, Lord. Kindly see. In this type of cases, Lord, person should not stand behind the bars, Lord. Kindly proceed.
Lordship, here is the case where I purchased a property in 2014. I sold that property in 2016, and in 2023, after 9 years, FIR is filed saying that the alleged sale deed of 2014 is 401. That is the case. 10 times I appeared before the IO. I fully cooperated in investigation. Lordship granted me interim protection.
What has happened? Investigation is complete.
Investigation, I fully cooperated. 10 times I appeared before the
Charge sheet is filed.
Appearing.
Charge sheet is filed.
And what I have to do?
He's only appear.
No. What about charge sheet?
Harshit is not.
Huh?
He is not giving us the original sale deed through which he is claiming.
Lordship, that sale deed, I informed the police. 2014 sale deed, I gave to my successor. When I sold the property in 2016, that I gave that sale deed to him. They are not summoning him.
Call, summon him, that other purchaser. You give the details.
That is already there. Police
See, 2016 years old.
can't put everything on me.
Who is the complainant? He is not served.
Party.
That's all right. Now he is asking for anticipatory bail. What about have you summoned the purchaser who purchased in 2016?
No. They have not made any person angry. They are only behind.
How can it be?
The allegations are that he has sold the same thing and sold it to subsequently.
Who is the complainant? Complainant who? Owner.
From whom I purchased property in 2014, 10 years back.
What was the complainant doing from 2014 onwards? Complaint.
9 years.
Cultivating it.
It's in whose possession now?
Third person. Well, purchaser is.
Correct. Why have you, no complaint? No complaint is filed as against the purchaser.
He has sold the property to.
Whether a complaint is filed against the subsequent, then how will you complete the investigation?
There were teakwood trees,
Yes.
and when complainant visited the land after 2 years,
For 10 years.
so we are also.
Who sold the land to you?
In 2016, I sold the land.
Who sold the land to you?
Complainant. Now,
Well, what about the
what is that? He won back that land. I already said that I sold that land in 2016.
where is the copy of the sale deed in your favor?
Yeah, kindly see annexure one.
Annexure? Let us see.
Page 31 to 35.
This is the one.
This is
Purchaser.
this is the
See, two people have sold, not one. Two people.
Yeah, they are from the same family. One of
But
them,
both are complainants.
one is coming.
Who is the complainant? Premna. What about the other? He is not complained.
Yeah, no.
That means he has accepted. You proceed against the others.
And thereafter in 2016.
Now what has, all right, what has happened to the charge sheet? And you don't file the charge sheet. You don't complete the investigation. That's all right. He has given it to the purchaser. Call the purchaser. Summon him. No, and only one person has filed. Learned counsel, leave granted. Learned counsel for the appellant submitted that the appellant has rightfully purchased the property from the complainant as well as his brother, is it? As well as another family member, namely Sri Premlal Srinath Shahu and Sri Krishna Muneshwar Prasad Shahu, that it is only Premlal Srinath Shahu who has filed the complaint with a malafide and oblique motive of trying to get back the sold land, the land sold to the appellate herein. It further submitted that the appellant purchased the land in the year 2014 and subsequently sold it to a third party in the year 2016. And the complaint has been filed recently in the year 2023. That having regard to the motive of the complainant and the fact that the appellant herein has purchased the land in question in accordance with law in the manner known to law, the apprehension of arrest of the appellant in relation to the FIR filed by the complainant herein is grave and serious. Therefore, this court may set aside the orders passed by the High Court, set aside the impugned orders and grant relief of anticipatory bail to the appellant herein. Per contra, learned counsel for the respondent state supported the impugned order and also submitted that the investigation is inconclusive, and at this stage, the relief of bail cannot be granted to the appellant herein. A relief of anticipatory bail, if granted to the appellant herein, would jeopardize the investigation as well as the trial. We therefore submitted that there is no merit in this appeal and the appeal may be dismissed. Then we say we grant subject to the terms 25,000 with 2 lakh sureties to extend complete cooperation in the investigation, not to misuse liberty, not to influence the witnesses or tamper with the material on record. Otherwise, the anticipatory bail is liable to be, to say any breach of the aforesaid conditions may result in cancellation of the anticipatory bail